Affiliate programs will pay you just to represent something that they have. The great thing about this is that all you need to do is put a plan in place. It may be even products that you're already using. Okay, think about that. For example, I use TubeBuddy. And if you look in the link in the description, you'll see a affiliate link for TubeBuddy that represents to me. That's a strategy that I put in place when I relaunched my channel. So now that's an affiliate link. Anyone who uses that link, I can get credit for that. I did another search. In fact, I did another search on Google. It says affiliate marketing is a viable income option, but it does not work for every business. Making an income through affiliate marketing requires dedication and commitment over a long period of time. Like any form of self-employment or business model, affiliate marketing has both advantages and disadvantages. So what I've learned when it comes to affiliate marketing is to think long-term. That is definitely something, as Google says. Google said it, so hey, if Google said it, it's got to be right. So Google said it's going to take a little while for affiliate to kick in. So keep that in mind if you choose to go with affiliate marketing. And if you're new here, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, subscribe, hit that bell and become the first to get my next video. Join the family. I just celebrated the milestone where I reached 100 subscribers on my way to that 1K. I want to share this playlist with you right here. Secrets to gaining your subscribers, things that I've learned along my journey. I think those videos would be great for you to watch next. Get your subscriber count up. So check those videos out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe for more just like this. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.